Hello, my dear students. This question from in the Re-NEET exam in 2026, this question was given. So they're asking for the amount of carbon dioxide evolved upon completely combustion of 116 grams of n-Butane. So we have to find out how much amount of carbon dioxide will be liberated. If you want to solve this question, you should have clarity on one point here. That is common combustion reaction. That is CXHY, hydrocarbon combustion, plus X plus Y by 4 into oxygen gives X moles of carbon dioxide plus Y by 2 moles of water vapor. So this is the main point. They gave normal butane. So this is the formula. Here formula, you can write it C4H10, where that X is equal to 4, Y is equal to 10 by 4. Okay. O2 gives 4 moles of carbon dioxide and 5 moles of water vapor. So the main point is we need to think about these two only. That means 1 mole of n-butane gives 4 moles of carbon dioxide. So n-butane grams, how many grams? 12 into 4, which means 48, and 1 into 10 hydrogens. Okay, total 58 grams. 1 mole of n-butane, 58 grams, produce 4 into 44 grams. Okay, but in the exam, how many grams they gave of butane? 116. 116 grams means 2 into 58. That means 58 should be multiplied with 2. Okay, you can take it like this simply. 2 into 4 into 44, which means 8 into 44. Here 44, 32 plus 32 plus 3, 35. So that means how many grams of carbon dioxide will be liberated? 352. Okay, so that means our second option is the correct answer. Have you got it? All the best.